Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to upload portfolio on Dribbble. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your browser. If you want to upload your portfolio on on Dribbble, sign up for Dribbble Pro to create a client-facing portfolio for your own domain that will always stay up to date and is ready to share with clients when you need it. Okay, so basically, plus when you share your work on Dribbble, your client-facing portfolio gets automatically updated, saving you tons of time and helping you land your next job that much faster. All right, so you can sign up for Dribbble Pro to create a client-facing portfolio for your own domain, and basically that will automatically face it. And as you can see right here, the Dribbble Pro, you can pay it by monthly, or you can pay it right here, as you can see, monthly, billed annually. So you can just go ahead and get started with your journey on Dribbble. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.